Well, the fuel tank dent is coming out slowly. I'm using a bearing puller with legs wide apart, as I got the idea from Rayner actually. So with gentle heat and jacking up on the 12mm stud bar, it's pulled it up into the correct profile. You never get it perfect, but about 2 more goes, 2 repositions, and it should be okay. So I'm quite happy with that. So she was quite a nasty little dent when he cleaned it up. It looked worse than it actually was. So, but as the metal cools down, it obviously contracts and pulls it into shape. You'll be so careful you don't distort it too much. It's too much heat. So I'm quite happy with that. So wait till it cools down, have a cup of coffee and reposition.